Welcome to a very special explainer. Today, we're taking a day-to-night immersive journey through essential Spanish vocabulary. I'm going to be your guide and your tutor, moving at a really calm, patient pace to help these phrases just completely sink right into your memory.
But before we actually begin, let's establish our learning rhythm, because it's absolutely crucial for this to work. The process is pretty simple. First, I'll say the English phrase clearly. Then, I'll give you the Spanish translation with perfect, native-like pronunciation. Finally, and this is the most important part, I'm going to pause for about 3 to 4 seconds. I want you to use that quiet time to take a deep breath and repeat the phrase out loud. Are you ready? Let's dive in.
All right, Section 1, Essential Greetings. Start your day right. We're starting with the absolute basics. Hello. In Spanish, that is hola. Now, what's really interesting here is that the H is totally silent. It's literally just hola. Now you try it. Great. Next is good morning. In Spanish, buenos días. Notice that little accent on the I in días? That gives it a slight emphasis. Buenos días. Your turn. Great. Next up, you'll naturally want to ask someone how they are doing. How are you? In Spanish, this informal greeting is ¿Cómo estás? Make sure to match the natural rising intonation of a question right at the end there. ¿Cómo estás? Try it out loud right now. And to answer that question, we simply say, I am fine, which translates to estoy bien. Nice and simple, right? Estoy bien. Take a breath and repeat it. Estoy bien. Section 2, Everyday Politeness, Kindness and Respect. As your day progresses, good manners are an absolute must. We'll start with please, por favor. Por favor. Your turn? Next is thank you. Gracias. Try to softly tap or just slightly roll that R if you can. Gracias. Try it. Sometimes we make a little mistake or need to interrupt gracefully. For sorry, we say, lo siento. Lo siento. Now you.
Sometimes we make a little mistake or need to interrupt gracefully.
For basic responses, yes is sí. Sí. Your turn. No is wonderfully identical to English. No. No. And maybe is tal vez. Tal vez. Repeat it out loud. Okay, moving on to Section 3, starting a conversation, meeting someone new.
When meeting someone, you'll want to ask, what is your name? In Spanish, ¿Cómo te llamas? Look closely at the spelling here. That double L in llamas actually creates a Y sound. ¿Cómo te llamas? Give it a try. ¿Cómo te llamas? To reply to that, you'd say, my name is Alex. Or in Spanish, me llamo Alex. Using that exact same Y sound for the double L. Me llamo Alex. Your turn. And it's always polite to add, nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. Try it out.
Now here's a real game changer for travelers. Do you speak English? In Spanish, that's hablas inglés. Remember the silent H at the start of hablas, and notice the accent on the E in inglés. That tells you exactly where to put the stress. ¿Hablas inglés? Take a breath and repeat. ¿Hablas inglés? If the conversation moves just a bit too fast, these tools are absolutely perfect. I don't understand is no entiendo. No entiendo. You try. And please speak slowly is habla despacio, por favor. Habla despacio, por favor. Go ahead and practice that one. Section 4, Travel and Basic Needs, Navigating a New Place. Perhaps the single most important question of all. Where is the bathroom? In Spanish, ¿Dónde está el baño? Notice the N with the little wavy line over it, the tilde. That creates an ñ sound, kind of like in the English word canyon. ¿Dónde está el baño? Your turn. ¿Dónde está el baño? Similarly, if you're looking for your accommodation, where is the hotel? In Spanish, ¿Dónde está el hotel? Now notice that hotel is spelled exactly the same way in Spanish as it is in English. But remember our rule about the silent H, so it's pronounced hotel. ¿Dónde está el hotel? Try it. Let's look at basic physical needs. I need water is necesito agua. Necesito agua. Say it out loud. Necesito agua. And I am hungry is tengo hambre. Watch out for that silent H again. Tengo hambre. Repeat it. Tengo hambre.
If you're out shopping in the afternoon, you'll definitely need to know, how much is this? In Spanish, ¿cuánto cuesta esto? The rhythm here is really quite musical. ¿Cuánto cuesta esto? Take your time and try it.
Section 5. Time and farewells. Winding down. Let's orient ourselves in time a bit, starting with the past. Yesterday is ayer. Ayer. You try? The present, today, is hoy. Silent H. Hoy. Repeat it. And the future, tomorrow, is mañana, complete with that ñ sound we talked about earlier. Mañana. Try it out loud. Now it's time for our farewells. Goodbye is adiós. Adiós. Repeat. And a slightly more casual see you later is hasta luego. Hasta luego. Finally, as the day ends, we look at our very last phrase. Good night and sleep well. In Spanish, this beautiful sentiment is buenas noches y duerme bien. Let the words just flow gently. Buenas noches y duerme bien. Take a deep breath and repeat it one last time. Buenas noches y duerme bien. Well, thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Keep practicing your Spanish every single day. As the quote here says, relax, sleep peacefully, and let your mind learn naturally. I really hope this structured journey has helped these phrases take deep root in your memory. So tell me, what will you dream in Spanish tonight? Buenas noches.